Hello there.
You don't have to be a Jedi to make ribeye steak.
Welcome to the Cast Iron Cooker Show. Food good, mood good. Now, here's your host.
Today, I'm going to teach you the ways of the Force.
This is the way.
Impressive.
Even if you're a baby in the ways of the Force, this is an easy recipe for you to make.
Do it.
Most impressive.
All right, here's what you're going to need.
The ingredients.
First, our ribeye steak. Ribeye is the best because it has this marbly texture. It's about 1 inch thick, and all this fat is going to give it a great flavor. You don't even need any A1 sauce. Use some canola oil, garlic. You can chop up your own. Personally, I like mine already minced. Some thyme, salt, and pepper. And last but not least, we're going to need some butter.
Anything else?
And that's all you need. All right, let's grease up our pan with some canola. It has a high smoke point, so it's gonna keep your house from smoking up inside.
You said people gonna die?
Once you got it all in there, mix it around the pan, so we're all lathered up. All right, make sure you turn your heat to high so we can get our pan hot. All right, we're gonna prep our steaks by first oiling them up. Get that in there. I wish someone would oil me up like this.
A Jedi craves not these things.
All right, after the oil, we're gonna use some kosher salt and some pepper. Now that our pan's hot, we're gonna stick our steak on. And remember, when you're placing your steak, place it away from you. You don't wanna get burnt. Now we're gonna leave it on here for about 5 minutes. All right, let's flip it over. Look at that. Next, what we're gonna do is add some butter and some thyme and our garlic. Half our cube. Just drop it in there. Perfect. Now our thyme is gonna make your meat smell amazing. Just some of that. Add as much garlic as you like. And leave your pan on one side. And we're gonna get all these juices from the oil, the butter, the thyme, the garlic, and pour it on top of our steak. This is the kind of meat that'll make a vegan turn to the carnivore side. Okay, so while our steak is finishing up over here, you're gonna preheat your oven to 350. We're gonna cook the steak for about 10 minutes in the oven to get it all the way through. No pink parts. Let's put it in. All right, so while our steak is finishing up, it's time for the sides. If you're lazy like me, we're gonna do something quick and easy. We have some broccoli, green giant, and some mac and cheese. Bob Evans. All right, once you take the steak out, you're gonna wait 5 minutes to let it set, and then you're gonna cut in.
Show me.
Let's see what this is looking like.
You know what I've come for.
Perfect. Got all the juices. Yeah, this looks ready to eat.
Yummy.
And now you can be the master.
Your skills are complete.
And you're done.
Yes.
And now you're ready to eat. Cheers. Now you're a force to be reckoned with in the kitchen. It's time to complete your training, young Jedi. For more recipes, like and subscribe to The Cooker Show, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok.
Subscribe and follow Cooker.
I'll show you the dark side.